Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota Today. Well, the artist has become the subject now. The artist has become the artwork.
Yes.
I love that.
Full circle.
Yes. So I'm going to give my hand at what John David just showed us. So you're sitting here, just to recap, you're giving me a pose. We're doing figure drawing, which...
Yeah, it's technically called gesture drawing.
Oh, gesture drawing.
Yep.
Make your way up to figure drawing.
Yep.
And
it's
I'm...
a type of action drawing, you know. You're
Now,
not supposed to think, right? You're not supposed to think. You're just supposed to draw.
I'm going to struggle with this because I'm an overthinker, but I'm going to give it my best. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stay nice and still for me.
Okay.
All right, starting.
So just connect things.
Okay. Stressing me out a bit.
Yeah, it frustrates a number of people.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I just want more time, and I don't have it.
See, and that's great. Looks like you got 10 seconds left.
Oh, no! Ah!
I'm not even looking at it. I mean, no, you're drawing.
And
there
30.
There you go. How did she do?
How did I do?
How did she do? Right in, right? Right in. Go on Facebook. Let her know how she did.
I'm not mad about it. I think there's a lot more negative space than I was hoping for,
Sure.
but I'm all right with that one.
Sure. And then to actually help people out, here, may I have that?
Absolutely.
So what is, when I just brought up positive and negative space, okay, because those create contours. All right, this is negative space. This is positive space, okay? Where these two meet is a contour.
Oh.
Some people call that an edge. Some people call that, what, outline, silhouette, something like that. So,
Yeah.
there you go. There's some art
Fascinating.
lingo for you. Are you going to finish the pose? Or?
Ooh, I think so.
Yeah? Or shall I pose again? And you'll do it again?
Pose one more time for me, and we'll see how I do. We're going to reset this timer here, resetting our artboard. And the great thing about John David Berdahl and all of the segments is all of these materials are very accessible and easy to do at home.
Yes.
You don't need a fancy tripod or anything. Just grab a pad of paper like he was showing you earlier and pose for your kiddos. Let them draw away.
Absolutely. It's no budget art. Okay?
I love it. All right,
Yes.
give me a new one.
Okay, so
I feel like this is Cutthroat Kitchen. Whoa! All right, ready?
there you go.
30 seconds, go!
Shooting an arrow, right? I shot an arrow into the air. To where it fell, I know not where. I lose a lot of arrows that way.
You're a poet and you didn't even know it.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I was thinking about, since it's cheese day,
Yeah.
right? How many people have to live with a type of cheese as a first name? Like Colby,
Dude.
Jack,
Oh,
Brie,
I didn't even think about that.
mozzarella, cheddar.
Cheddar, come here.
Hi, I'm Cheddar Berdahl.
Get home from school.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's 30. Okay.
Hurry it up, young man. There
This
we go.
one?
This is looking great. See, now
Really?
it looks like, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
When you know what the goal is, you know, some people may say this looks like crud.
Yeah.
Okay, but the objective was not to draw every single detail. It was about capturing the essential.
And you can use this as a stepping stone, too.
Yes, absolutely. A lot of the artists that I had mentioned before, it was Rodin, too.
Oh,
the thinker was Rodin. Yep. There you go. Ding, ding, ding.
Trivia of the day.
Yes.
Now, if you guys also didn't know this, you teach free classes around the FM community.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So I teach, a number of different types of classes. Yeah, some you have to pay for, some, I'll just help you out, you know, or guide an individual, or so I suppose tutor, feedback, or critique, you know, sort of free critiques, absolutely. Yeah, so Moorhead Community Education, Moorhead Area Public Schools, sometimes the Plains Art Museum. Just talked to North Dakota Autism Center, which is near and dear to this heart, right? Because it's not news that I'm autistic.
Not to any of our viewers, but maybe if you're new here, that's also a great excuse to educate yourself on neurodiversity in our community. And you can do so also by following along John David Berdahl on his journeys throughout your social media for us.
Certainly, yeah. I've got like a web series. I've got 2 YouTube channels. I'm working on a documentary, an event, you know, and then we talk about that, a local community event. Absolutely. But this exercise is just so great. Whether you consider yourself a sculptor, painter, whatever, multidisciplinary, this type of practice just allows it, just frees you up.
Yeah.
Okay, and you had said you wanted more time.
Right.
All right, and as you progress, as you do 1-minute drawings, okay, and 2-minute drawings and 5-minute drawings, you start to realize, I've got so much time.
Yes.
You know, and allows you to budget time easier, especially in your own life. When you realize, I've got an hour to do this, you know?
That's so much time now.
I've got the entire day to wait at the DMV. This is great.
I'll give you a watercolor, full detail if I had an hour now.
Ooh, nice. All right, that's your assignment, right? That's your homework.
Oh gosh, I regret saying that.
Well, oh, you said it on TV, right? So
I
everyone.
know, they're gonna hold me accountable.
And then the internet too.
Okay, well, I will say be mindful of the cleanup. We've got our charcoal fingers or oil pastel fingers.
Chalk pastel, but if it's charcoal, absolutely. So yeah, bring a towel or a wet towel. I've got some tissues right there.
Oh, perfect.
Some paper towels. So you can, definitely wash those up. Or you can utilize gloves, and some materials that you can buy are toxic. Read the package.
That's a good note.
Now these are inexpensive ones, and not to say that inexpensive or cheap or something like that aren't the same sort of value, same sort of quality, even quantity. But these ought to be pretty okay. Just don't eat them. Don't ingest them.
Don't.
But you ought to be okay just to do this and then wash your hands.
Oh yeah, fun to play
afterwards.
with, not to eat.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like
and
Play-Doh.
as you progress with this, it's like with like 5-minute drawings. I'll draw for about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes with charcoal or something, or no, with a 6B pencil.
Ooh.
Okay, and so I can talk about perhaps next time what's the difference between types of pencils.
Honestly,
but yeah.
that's fascinating to me.
Oh, really?
So I love it.
Well, that's what we're going to talk about, right?
Okay,
once we're done.
perfect.
Yeah.
As soon as we get into this commercial break, thank you so much, JDB, for coming on our show.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely. And final poses for our outro here.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Somebody
Stick
better
around.
call a vet. These puppies are sick.
More North Dakota today, right after the break.